Hello everyone, welcome back to CCNA Learner YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to configure static route and SNAT on the Palo Alto firewall. So the first you need to go to the network virtual router and then click on the virtual router default. On the static route section, you need to add the static route to allow your client access to the internet. So you can give any name to your static route. Right here I use VO static route, right? And then for the destination address, I use the destination address, any IPv4 address. It means 0/0/0.0/0/0. And the interface, so the interface right here, you need to select the interface that connected to the internet. So interface is net11 is that it connected to the internet, right? So the next hop IP address, it should be your gateway on your router, and it's on a COSFIC or gateway on a COSFIC. Right here I use VLAN 200, that is the gateway address for VLAN 200 dot 204 This is the gateway, right? So the admin distance I keep default, metric and keep default, everything right here keep default, and then you need to click OK, and you need to click OK again. Okay, after you complete configure virtual static route, you need to configure SNAT to allow your client access to the internet. Right here, I try to access LAPC and so IP address, and then I try to ping to DNS, Google DNS. So the result is timeout. It means unreachable. Yeah, I try to ping again. So the result is still cannot the same, right? So I need to configure SNAT to allow my internal client can access to the internet. To configure, you need to go to the policy, security, and NAT. So right here you need to configure the SNAT. You click on add. NAT policy rule, you can use the name. I use the SNAT to the internet. And you can give the description, easy to understand what the policy you're creating for, right? So the original package, so we need to select the source zone, what the source zone that we want to allow. Right here I select the lane, and destination shown is WAN. Destination interface, I select the interface that connected to the internet, so it's net11. And the source address right here, you can specify the LAN zone, right? This is the LAN zone address 24.1, or you can give full slash of slash 24.0/24. I give full full of this slash. And then destination address, you keep any, because we don't specify the destination address. So the translation type, I use the dynamic IP and port, and then I select interface address. Then interface font 1 is the interface that I have selected to translate package, right? Destination keep none, keep default. Okay, after you configure the static route and configure SNAT, you need to commit to push the firewall and change what we have configured. And after we commit change success, you can test on the PC. It's okay right here. Any PC can ping to the internet now. It means our policy is work fine, and you need to keep in mind. Right here, we need to configure 3 things. The first one is the static route. Second one is the SNAT allow your client to the internet. And the third one is configure policy allow your client to the internet. So right now, to make sure, I need to check the log, what the policy is going through. It will show you detail about my client request with the policy that it hit, right? So we go to the monitor and traffic, log and traffic. Right here, we can see many information. So you can filter PC list. What the destination IP address? So the destination is Google. At least try to ping to Google. And then the policy allow LAN to the internet. Yeah, you can filter. So this video is finished. I think this video is helpful for you, but don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you.